So basically we are going to take the derivative of that function, and this is dy by dx and equal to, let's take the product rule, and we will apply the product rule because there are two functions, 1 over x and tangent inverse function. So basically we are going to take the derivative of both functions, and we know that when we have the two functions that are multiplied with each other and we have to take the derivative, we apply the product rule. So let's apply the product rule, and we will you know that in the product rule what we do, we left the first function as it is and take the derivative of the second function. Yes, derivative of the second function, tangent inverse x plus 1 or x minus 1, and then there is a plus sign, and after that we left the second function as it is, and then we take the derivative of the first function. What is first function? It is 1 over x. So let's apply the product rule. This is the product rule in which, so now we know that what is the derivative of tangent inverse function. So derivative of the tangent inverse function is 1 over x plus 1 over 1 plus x square. So now 1 over x will come as it is, and we are going to take the derivative of the function tangent inverse x. So we know that the tangent inverse x is a inverse function, and the derivative of we are going to take 1 over 1 plus x plus 1 over x minus 1 whole square, and then we will take the derivative of the angle of the tangent inverse. So what is the angle? It is x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus tangent inverse x plus 1 over x minus 1 will come as it is, and then we are going to take the derivative of the second function 1 over x. You know that the derivative of the 1 over x is minus 1 over x square. So now after that let's apply the derivative. We know that derivative of 1 over x is about to take through the quotient rule, and it will be minus 1 over x square through the quotient rule. So now we are going to simplify that. So this is the derivative of the 1 over x, that is minus 1 over x square. So now let's simplify it, and then this will come 1 over x, and now take the LCM of the second function. This will be 1 plus x plus 1 square divided by x minus 1 square, and after taking we are going to take the LCM. We will apply the quotient rule here because there is a derivative of x plus 1 over x minus 1 square. X minus 1 is left as it is, and then we are going to take the derivative of x plus 1, which is 1. So we will left the x plus 1 as it is and take the derivative of 1. Similarly we will left the tangent inverse function x plus 1 over x minus 1 and second function as it is. So now you know that after simplification, after taking LCM of 1 plus x plus 1 square over x minus 1 square, so LCM will be x minus 1 square, and we will take the cross LCM. This will be x minus 1 square over x plus 1 square. After simplifying the quotient rule, x minus 1 will come same as it is, and we will multiply the minus with the x plus 1. The signs are changed. Now plus tangent inverse x plus 1 over x minus 1, and we will simplify minus 1 over x with it. So now let's come again on the first you can say right hand side of the question, right hand side of the answer. In here we are going to simplify again. 1 over x will come as it is, and now we are going to simplify. X minus 1 denominator will become numerator, and we will open the x minus 1 square and x plus 1 square with the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So after that we will do the cancellations. It will come minus 2 over x minus 1 square, and after that tangent inverse x plus 1 over x minus 1 will come as it is, and we will get the second function minus 1 over x square. So now after identical terms are cut, x minus 1 is cut with the x minus 1 below minus 2. So this will come minus 2 over, you can say, 2x square plus 1 plus 2, I think it will come plus 2. So this is the simplification of the right hand side function, and now we are going to do the simplification of second left hand side functions. So second function that is on the left side is tangent inverse x plus 1, tangent inverse x plus 1 over x minus 1. With it we have minus 1 over x square, so after you can see that is the simplified form, but we can do more simplification if you want. That is the basically the simplified form. If you write till here, then answer is also correct. So now take the 2 common from the right hand side term. If we take 2 common from the right hand side term, it will be minus 2 over 2 x square plus 1, and 2 is cut with the 2, and tangent inverse x plus 1 x minus 1 on the left side. Now let's do the more simplification. That this is the simplified answer, minus 1 over x square plus 1 plus tangent inverse x minus 1 over x plus 1 into minus 1 over x square. And now if we are going to do more simplifications, then on the